M's, Izzy, Hood Tour Guide. Hood Tour Guide. It's another coverage I'm doing. This is the tour guide now of parks I'm doing within London with this little seasonal period. Right, a good day here, taking you around the park in London. Not gonna say which one. If you know what you do, if you don't, you don't. Posh Park, you'll see the differences from parks I visit from the type of feel you get from the people, innit? Very upbeat. Most of these people are locals. I see them when I come through here. I recognise faces. I seem somewhat out of place in this park because it's a place, quote unquote, for the upbeat, I'll say snooty type folks. I'll go where I want to go regardless if you like me there or not. No restrictions against it. The tennis court here. How you doing? Oh, you got scared of me. You're alright, boy. Here, have your stick back. Let me give you your stick. There you go, boy. Go on, boy. I'm not troubling you. He had his stick in his mouth. He got scared for some reason. You're alright, boy. I know you're small. There you go. No problem. If I could play tennis, I'll be back here playing tennis. I can't play. I can just watch it. You can see the tennis courts over there. Oh, I switch up my parks. I like to get out into the park atmosphere. That's basically it's greenery, you know what I mean? If you know about my mainstream, what I'm known to do, or what I really purpose of my channel set up for, which I'm gonna get back to soon, don't worry, which is music. And my music brand will be called, and is called officially, will be called soon, Green Giants, double G's. So that little tiny dog got scared of me. It's just a small man syndrome thing. Most times dogs are taken to me, but I suppose where I had my mask on and whatnot. So, he's tiny, it's not much bigger than a rat, that dog. So they get intimidated. Taking around the sidelines of the park. It's a big park, not too big. It's my park coverage, Izzy Hood Tour Guide, but this one is not going to be in Island. It's just a tour guide. It's going to be all over the place. Feel me? If you recognise the park, you recognise it. If you don't, you just don't. So for once, for the first time in about, I'll say, a month, we've had some decent weather out here. So I've come out without a jacket. Clear skies and all. So I don't think it's going to rain. Clear skies. It's a little bit chilly though. Alright. Got little huts here. Quite a few huts in this park. One right there in front of me. One white one over there. In the distance, now you can see it. Yeah. Someone over there being very what's it called? Intrigued by what I'm doing. Let me wave at him. How you doing, mate? No, he's not friendly, don't want to wave back. Just gotta make a fun out of these guys because they actually are funny. I'm gonna walk past him now. He's gonna go like he won't watching me. See, a lot of people have got narrow mind and old-fashioned mindsets. He could have been talking to this girl, this young lady, but I doubt it very much. Now he's seeming very vibrant and engrossed in this conversation, but good luck to him. I ain't bothering with him. I could have made an assumption. He's an old boy anyway. That's why I tried to wave and be friendly. They may see that as something else. You've got a middle area here. This is new. This little round bit here was just grass before, so I don't know what that's been done for, but there you go. It's a new feature. I was gonna leave it as that because I've got to crack on with the day. I didn't wake up as early as I could have today, so I've got to make things speedy. Alright, that's the other side there that leads out onto the road. About 6 to 7 entrances, exits in and out of this park. I'll show the pond there and leave it as that. Yeah. It's a heavy vibe out here. Someone in the quest for knowledge, loving it. Nice. That's the pond area. See if I can get Mr. Geeston. I'm gonna get the Geeston and I'm done. This geese trying to go like he don't see me, but he sees me. I've fed him many times, so he's coming over here now. They're not silly as people think. They have brains just like us. But he's thinking, where the food at? I ain't got food, and I don't serve no purpose to. You see him, he's getting closer. That's his companion over there. He's clocked there's no food. So I'm gonna leave it as that for now. I'm Emerson Zeno. It's my park. Good guide. Well, it's just my park guide. Alright, till next time. God willing. Peace out.